Hello, lovelies. I'm cookbook author and TV show host, Chef Angela Michelle. I love food. I love shopping for fresh ingredients. I love using herbs and spices, all of these things to create beautiful culinary masterpieces. And that's why I'm here. I want to show you how to create these dishes in your own home. Everything, absolutely everything from fruit, seafood, Asian food. We also have Indian food. You can use chicken, beef, seafood, even plant-based. All here, all for you on Delicious Dish Demos by myself, Chef Angela Michelle, presented by Culinary Kisses. Food and kisses. Now enjoy the next demo. Hey lovelies, it's Chef Angela Michelle here. I have wonderful appetizers for you that are perfect for game day, but not only that, it's perfect for potluck, it's perfect for parties. Heck, it's perfect to just enjoy by yourself. So go ahead and check out these videos. I am making some shrimp and guac bites for you. Hope you enjoy it. Food and kisses. These shrimp and guacamole bites are as delicious as they are impressive. I mean, look at them, right? Bite size, delicious. So here we go. First, start with a ripe avocado. Go ahead and score it so you can easily get it out of its shell, but gotta remove that stubborn seed first. Okay, here we go. Into the bowl. Go ahead and get a spoon. There we go. Get it right out of there into the bowl. Yes. And yes, we must get all of it. Can't leave any of that avocado behind. Now give it a little smash it. I mean, you can leave some chunks in there. That's fine for texture. But for the most part, you want to break it down as much as you can. Then let's add a couple of things like lime juice, onion, garlic, cilantro, and a little bit of salt to bring it all together. Now stir it to mix and set that aside because we have to start working on the shrimp. Cajun shrimp, that is. We're gonna cook these seasoned shrimp in a little bit of butter. And we're gonna let them sit in the pan and let them sear on both sides until they're done. It does not take that long to cook shrimp, so this is a very quick process. As a matter of fact, it's a quick process to pull the entire appetizer together. Okay, now it's time to plate. Look at these cute little phyllo cups. Aren't they adorable? Not to mention super convenient. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our prepared guacamole into each cup. Make sure you add an adequate amount. We wanna get those cups full, all the way full, so when you get ready to add your shrimp, it'll stand up. It'll hold up to the shrimp, right? So here we go, neatly adding the shrimp to each top. Oh, one trying to get away. There we go. Stay on there, little buddy. Add one shrimp per cup, and there you have it. That's it. That's all it takes to prepare this delicious and very appealing, might I add, shrimp and guac cups. Brought to you by yours truly, Chef Angela Michelle of Culinary Kisses. Food and kisses.